We back at it again with another banger, man. As y'all can see, man, it's Wide Body Wednesday, man. Look, man, look, hold on. Y'all see this shit? Straight wide bodies, man, y'all know. And look, this ain't even the whole thing, man. I got my dog Bo out here with me. Talk to him, Bo.
What's going on? It's your boy Bo, man. Got my boy Mile G out this bitch, man.
Hey, man, y'all go turn my dog up. His first vlog dropping soon, man.
He got me on this shit, man.
Hey, man.
He got me wanting to record and vlog, man. So shout out to boy Mile.
Hey, that's real,
man.
twin.
Follow that boy, subscribe that boy, man.
That real, man. Hey, man, if you right here right now, man, go like, comment, and subscribe, man. It's free, man. I love y'all. We got some lit content coming today, man. We finna go get some food, and we finna be outside with these toys, man. I appreciate all y'all for being rocking with me, going crazy, turning the vlogs up. Man, I just hit a K on another video, man. Y'all been going crazy, man. I love this shit, man. I'm going crazy. This our year. I keep telling y'all, 2025, this our year, man. We're going crazy all year. But look, though, we at the gas station right now. We waiting on another wide body to pull up. My dog, Eric. Y'all already know Eric. We waiting on Eric to pull up. And we're going to get this video started, man. Yeah, so we just pulled up to the car wash, man. My car was dirty as hell, so I needed a goddamn sprints. You know how we coming, man. Get that motherfucker wet. Nice and wet, you did. We got the GMC Harley Davidson edition. I ain't never seen them motherfuckers, like, literally. This shit crazy. Boy out that bitch smoking Zot. Yeah, in that wide body thick shit, man. We gotta get our shit wet before we got down pop out, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? You. But yeah, though, I just wanted to give y'all a quick little show y'all what we got going on. Give it a quick little wash, y'all. Some quick little shit. Get that motherfucker blushing. Right, you hear me? You. Y'all come tap in. What the hell they got to tap in at? Tell them what the hell
Yeah, man, Pershine ATL or Pershine John, man.
Hey, Pershine ATL.
Take pride in your ride.
Hey, take pride in your ride. Tell them pull up, you hear me? Hey, that boy said, well, they take pride in your ride, man. Come get that motherfucker washed, you dig? But yeah, though, we just outside kicking shit, man. Get these cars wet and shiny. And then we finna go get some food. I'ma just bring y'all along with us today, man. We outside, man. I know how this shit go. Ooh, that motherfucker bubbly. Scrunk delicious P. Get that motherfucker, bro. That bitch be looking good when she got down, getting that white down, son. Shit. I know how that shit go. Get that white down. That bitch looking good, y'all. I already know. Tap in, you hear me? Hey, look though. We with my dog right here.
What's up? Now, let me get my earrings on.
Look, you good? My channel is raw. We show real raw content.
Okay.
You don't gotta show. It ain't gonna be all glitter and glam every day.
Like y'all got auntie on there.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We live in effect, man. Hold on.
LA Choose. New restaurant at Sugar Creek Golf and Tennis Club.
Say no more.
Check it out.
No SRT boy gonna come down and let you know. We gonna keep it real now. If the food not good now.
No, just tell me in my ear.
Okay.
Tell me in my ear.
Say that on you. She on Boulder Crib. That shit good.
That's okay. Yeah.
So I will say on but like you come down there right now, we gonna fool me.
We gonna pull up.
Y'all gonna come down there and meet the chef. Come on now.
Yeah. We're gonna pull up. Getting dried down right now. Yeah. That motherfucker look way better than it did, boy. Way better than it did, boy. Ladybug. Good luck coming. But y'all, we finna get outside, man. Man, the hardest artist in the goddamn city, man. You know what I'm saying? You. Got my dogs, man, outside, man. We posted up on Front Street, man.
Dog shit records.
You. Pop it on them folks, man. Them folks ain't goddamn. You dig. You dig. By the way, Burger. You. We outside with this shit, man. You. My dog, E, man. Motherfucker. You. Front Street, man.
Get some wings.
If you get some wings, the wings fire though, too, man. Be real, though.
Overly fire.
Okay. Nigga said overly fire. Okay, tell you no lie. No doubt, man. We finna go wings on their ass. You hear me? What the hell flavor you got, twin?
Honey hot.
Ooh, can't go
With
wrong.
the Philly.
With the Philly. Now, stop playing with them, twin.
I got honey hot wet.
Oh, I got.
Oh yeah,
honey,
okay.
My
Oh
boy
yeah.
go
Honey hot wet. You hear me?
Get
Get them folks. You know what I'm saying? Show them folks.
You gotta go wet. So you can dip your french fries in them all.
Dip them motherfuckers. Yeah. Boy, scrunk Delio shit by the way, P. He said, come on, man. You. Hey, man, we finna go get down and grab some food, man. Y'all already know how this shit go, man. We finna get down and show y'all what's going, man. We on Brody Crib, man. Y'all come down and look, man. We at King of Wings, man. We on the east side. Everything greater on the east, man. You know what I'm saying? So look, man. We finna get down and see what this wing spot hitting on, man. I ain't never been here though. But we finna get down and see what this bit hitting on, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know.
You never came around?
Ain't no came right here, now, so we finna see what's going, man. We finna see what the wind hitting on. We finna see what the wind hitting on, man.
You gotta try that Philly, man.
We gonna let y'all know what the wind hitting on, no doubt, man. Y'all know how we come with these food reviews. We finna get the 6P combo, man. What flavor? Nah, I ain't gotta record her, son. They don't know her.
I'm talking about the chat. I gotta tell you.
So we finna go honey hot mild with the lemon pepper extra crispy.
Another?
No, that's it.
It is extra crispy.
Yup.
Plain chocolate cheese.
Ranch.
Okay.
It come with a drink?
Drink.
Okay, cool.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
That's it?
So we gonna let y'all know what these beans hit on. Food ready, man. Just pour it up. Is it ready or no? Not yet. I only got 6 wings. Shit. They still taking that down. Y'all pull up, just know these bitches gonna be. I guess they just got down slaughtered the chicken. How long they taking?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, so this what we got, man. We went mild with the lemon pepper sprinkles. We gonna sauce that boy up with some cheese. Yeah, on the fries. You don't got ketchup packet? And I got that as the bell, man. It took about 30 years for this bitch to be made. Just for me to eat it in 5 minutes, you hear me? Yeah, you know I'm working that camera, so I'm finna see what this food hitting on, bro. Finna see what this food hitting on. Now we got the pack, man. Finna go to the whoop, see what this food hitting on, man. Pull up on my boy Eric, man. See what this food hitting on. Goddamn, I'm eating the hell out of these motherfuckers. Bitch, good hell to it, and goddamn. We want Philly wings and fries, you hear me?
Fat nigga at heart.
Hey man, it's all good. You gotta eat, brother. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I was skeptical at first, but I should have known what both said. These bitches were hard. These bitches hard, y'all. I rated a 9 out of 10. My bad, I'm gonna give y'all one. Hold on, man.
10 out of 10.
I know y'all want one. 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10, man.
Okay. We got 10 out of 10. Only I said 9 because they took so long for my shit, man.
Oh, God.
I don't need them. But these bitches here, twin. Okay, bo. I should have known, twin. Once you said these bitches were gonna be here, twin. Why the hell I doubted you, twin? I'm tripping, huh?
Now you always
I'm tripping, huh?
slow down, baby boy. Slow down.
This bitch is good as hell, dog. This bitch is good as hell, though. I'm finna do fool, y'all. I'm gonna put the camera up once I'm done. Really shit, you dig? Walking that bitch, no doubt. Walking that bitch. Walking that bitch, yeah, nigga is walking that bitch. You, nigga. Cutting up, man. I got that boy eat dog and shit, man. Stop playing with my boy, man. We got the hardest Charlie wide bodies on the east, man. Dead ass, no doubt. Coming, nigga. Hardest fucking Charlie scats on the fucking east, nigga. Stop playing with us, man. That's how we really got this shit going, dog. No doubt, man. Got the red eye and the cut to it, this shit, man. Whole lot of toys, by the way. My boy went crazy, nigga. You went crazy. Stop playing, bro. Got that boy Ben out here. Hey, bro. Bro, when y'all see this clip, bro, just know this nigga just went crazy, nigga. Hey, bro, this shit real life, nigga. Real life, nigga. We outside with this shit. No fucking count, man. Look, man, I got that boy Ben out here with it. Talk to him, man. Nigga, we outside, bro. We trying to get this shit, man. You feel me, bro? Oh God, bro, you was, bro. Wrap the vlog up, man. Ben put up on us again on some late night shit. Got that boy Ben. We finna got down this red eye, y'all. Y'all red eye, man. Oh, bro. Alright, vlog, I want to say my bad. Y'all, that's the end of Widebody Wednesday, man. We finna wrap this joint up. I'm going to the crib. Y'all seen the bros pulled up on me, and then we had a little fun out here today, man. We ain't really do too much, but I just wanted to show y'all like what a little, that was just a little regular day, like a regular Wednesday. Brought the Widebodies out, and then yeah. Heck yeah. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for tapping in, fucking with me. Goddamn, running this shit up. Everything, bro. I just appreciate everything, y'all. Like, we gonna keep dropping. We're gonna keep bringing these bangers in. Gonna keep going up, no doubt, man. Y'all tune in to the next video, though, no doubt.
Listen, I'm in the 4x4. Yeah, I got my wrist up. Chain, here came from Dang, I got a Taylor.
Hey, bro, y'all don't like a song to my boy?